And we have more news coming in. CNN News 18 has accessed details of the FR as well. The police say that the drainage system was not working on the roads is why the waterlogging took place. And the owner of the coaching institute has also in fact informed the police that there are no drainage lines in the basement. So the picture now becoming clearer. Remember, we have been tracking the latest. We've been asking questions to those who need to give us exact details of what really transpired, in the run-up to that unfortunate incident that came to light from Rajendra Nagar. But we've accessed the details of the FR and my colleague Anshul has been breaking down each and every aspect as far as investigations go. Let's quickly play out another ground report.
The anger continues amongst the students even at this point. Since last night, the students have continuously been raising demands of meeting someone officially from the MCD, and that demands continues because what the students are saying that this is not about just one coaching institute. We got those permission letters from the MCD as well, and then eventually from the fire department as well, where the NOCs were granted to these places. But there are hundreds and hundreds of such libraries that are running all in basement. The manner in which these libraries should have been running, that is definitely not being implemented on the ground. Now, who is responsible for this? The larger question that still remains that who is responsible and who will take the responsibility for this. But if you look at the hierarchy and through which the responsibility passes, the first person who needs to be informed or who has the knowledge of this is the local police beat officer. Remember, as districts are divided amongst the police, the lowest number or the person who is at the ground zero level, he is given certain areas to monitor, that is known as the beat officer. And that beat officer definitely knew that libraries in this area are running like this. Not only libraries but also several PGs in this entire area are running without any sort of requisite permissions. If you talk about the big coaching institutes that are on the ground over here, the job of these big coaching institutes is to give coaching to the aspirants of IAS, IPS and UPSC.